Banana curfew on March 22 between 7 a.m. and 9 p.m., said PM Modi, and he wanted the nation to applaud at 5 p.m. that day the selfless work of essential services personnel. Yes, of course, we have seen today it in different places.
In this video I will show you the few places where the peoples are applaud at 5 p.m. Guwahati, Udalguri, Baxa,
In different places of Assam, peoples are applauded at 5 p.m.